Good afternoon, everybody. I am back, Mr. Samos, with another video. Guys, at this rate, I could probably do like maybe like 5 videos a day. But anyways, if you like making money, you like making money for yourself, for your family, to be wealthy and make generational wealth, to go on vacations, to make these awesome memories, please hit me a like and also subscribe to my channel so that I know what I'm doing is good and right and awesome. And go ahead and hit that notification bell so that I can continue to make these relevant videos so that we can all make money together. Okay. All right. So I'm going to leave it here in the front. We don't have to be smarter than the rest, but we do have to be more disciplined than the rest. How many times do people talk about making a lot of money, but it's not how much money they make, it's how much money they do keep. So you don't have to be smart, guys. Investing in the stock market, in the cryptocurrency market, you don't got to be genius. You just got to be disciplined, and start off with the low account, start off with a small account, and get with the rest. Now, I am not a financial advisor. Whatever I do or say is because I personally believe it. I do my own research. I watch a lot of YouTube. I do a lot of research through TD. I have some pay subscriptions to things that I would love to share. That's why I'm making these videos. I enjoy it. I'm not going to be forcing platforms down your throats, but just factual evidence, and you can make that decision based on that evidence. Okay, so today I will talk about Lucid. I'm going to go a little bit more on the technical side because I was a technical trader before I became anything else. So I do love looking at charts. So what we're going to do, we're going to be looking at charts today. Lucid. Lucid has been a rock in the EV market, and as you know, that everything has been going up in this EV market. The EV market, in my opinion, is going to continue to be bullish. It's continuing to go up, no matter the Chinese and the shippings and all that stuff, the chips. It's just a small thing, right? But I do believe the CEOs of these companies, Steven, is going to make this happen. All right, so for technicals, this is going to be a really short video, so bear with me. We're just going to continue to kind of just look at the highs and the lows, okay? So we're going to look at the daily chart, which is my move to look at when I'm looking at a long swing or a long hold. Again, if you like the 1 hour, it's also a good to see intraday. But I do like to hold the stock a little bit more longer on a swing trade. And I do believe in Lucid, and I do believe what it's doing and what the company is providing, not only for the EV markets, but also just in general, what they're going to do and change the world. Now, we did started back here on a little grind in January, but it was open. It came from a SPAC, I believe, right, in September in 2020. Went in its highs of $64. So I usually like to make my own lines here through a trend line to kind of signify this is where it hit. And we know that when it goes up, it's definitely going to go down. And if we can see this inconsistency of the market, this gap right here. So somehow the market is going to have to come back and fill this gap, which I believe it may happen when it does do its delivery, right? The delivery is set for tomorrow. So the Lucid Air Dream, everyone that pre-ordered it, you're going to get it. And I feel that you're going to love it. And this stock is just, in my opinion, it's going to continue to go high. We did talk about this in the last video, that it's going to be at $30, but dang, it passed $30. So the analysts, they're going to have to go ahead and do a little bit more updates on this. So we know that it's going to go and hit this area, but there's going to be a lot of resistance going through here, right? So that's going to have to mean that it's going to have to pass a certain resistance point. So the next resistance, in my opinion, is going to be here. It's going to be that $50 mark, right? So it's going to have this tremendous run. Like, remember what it did here. It went on a 23% increase, right? And that was just on Thursday, I believe, right? So 30% increase from here to here. Well, guess what? That's going to actually go right over here. Okay, so let's do that one more time so you can all see that. From its last high, which was around that 26, 27 area, but 39%. But I like to look at the wick of the candle. So let's just say 25, because that long wick is probably manipulation. So let's look at 25. Okay, we go all the way where it is right here. So it's around this area. So I do feel it's going to hit here at that 47 mark on this next resistance. Okay, so what does that kind of mean? Hold hold it or wait till Lucid makes its own base. Right now, it could probably make its own base, but how the company is moving, I believe that it's going to go ahead and pass and probably hit this ceiling and then come straight down. Okay, so it's going to probably do an A, B, C, D correction, where if I'm going to look at the path, it's going to go ahead and do an A, B, C, D correction, and it's going to go back down. Okay, so that's kind of like my opinion and what I look into. A, B, C, D correction, and boom. Okay, this probably could actually be over here. My apologies. And then next resistance, or it could be right here in that last base of the $50. Psychologically, that $50 will probably be more beneficial than the 57. But if there's people trying to take profit, usually you want to go before that high and not get caught in that bull trap. Is typically right there. But it really depends on how you trade. But I do believe that once it hit these high marks on 50 or 47, it's gonna have to come down and cool off because it's been kind of running pretty dang well. Even though today it closed at on a red, who knows? This may create a banger on Monday morning. You know what I'm saying? So that's kind of pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, if you like more of this, please let me know. Do like this video, like all my other videos, so that you know that I can stay relevant, that I can continue to make these videos because I'm doing something right in my life, right? Other than stocks, right? And do subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and then hit that notification bell. Guys, if there's something that you want to know, if there's certain stocks that you want me to go over, I'll definitely do it. Just go ahead and comment down below. I already have a couple that messaged out to me personally, and actually had another comment, one comment. Thank you to that one comment. I'll go ahead and do that. I promise you I'll do that. I just want to get the hype out of Lucid and its technicals, but I'll definitely get into the MNMD. That's the next one, guys. I believe that's a nice stock by Kevin O'Leary, and that new guy Jor. He's that guy that the CEO. I believe I just murdered his name. But anyways, we're gonna go over that stock. I'll probably get that out tonight, and then we can go ahead and do it all together. All right, guys. Other than that, I know the work day is almost done here and my time. If it's done in your time, congratulations. You had hit the weekend. Have a good day, guys, and I'll see you till the next video. Bye-bye.